Happy Monday, all. How are you feeling this morning? Yay! It's nice to see you. Who is this? Who is this? Do you know me? Do you know me? Hi, Miss Eza. Okay, some of you know me, yeah? Okay, hello, good morning. Okay, we are gonna start now, yeah? My handsome and also beautiful students. Okay. Hello, sunshine. Hello, beautiful and handsome students. I'm really happy to see you again. Please, all of you smile. Give me the best smile you have. Smile. Okay. Wow. Cute smile, cute smile. Please smile. If you haven't smiled yet, please smile. Yay. Yes, yes. Oh, good job. Great job. Okay. So, today we are going to have what? What we are gonna have? Morning assembly. Oh, some of you know me, yeah? Okay, so first of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Ms Eza, and in IB school, I teach science. So, students, I love science, and I also love English. Who from you love science? Hands up. Science. Wah, banyak yang love science. Okay, good job. Who from you love English? Put up your hand. Love English. Yeah, okay. It's good job. You love English. Okay, so before we talk about our topic today about self-control, Miss mau kita, ya, I want all of us to play one game. Yeah, this is not hard game. So if I say something to you, students, if you feel that, yes, like this example, I like cake. If you think you like cake, so you should stand up. You should stand up and clap your hand. Maybe I say to you, I like exercise, running. So if you feel you don't like running, you can sit down and make this like this. Okay? We can do it? Yeah, okay, we start, yeah? Okay, we are gonna start now. Okay, so first statement. Okay, I like chocolate. Oh, some of you like chocolate. Okay. Second, I like running. Ms Eza doesn't like running. Okay. 3. 2 plus 2 equal to 5. No, yeah. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Okay. Rabbit eats banana. Stand up or sit down? Stand up or sit down? Rabbit eats banana. No, yeah. Rabbit eats carrot. Okay, the next. I like science. Yeah, Ms Eza really likes science. Okay, and then sila pertama Pancasila adalah ketuhanan yang Maha Esa. Benar ya? Yes. And then the last, I love IB school. Semua ya? Oh, yeah. Oh, so all of you love IB school. Okay, thank you ya for your cooperation, my beautiful and also handsome student. Wow. Okay, please give me smile because your smile can boost my energy. Please give me smile. Yeah, oh, cute, handsome, beautiful smile. Thank you for your smile. So I get my energy boost. Yeah. Okay, so do you know Mojo? Have you ever seen Mojo before? Yeah, already watched about Mojo. Okay, today we will watch again about Mojo. So what Mojo will tell us today? Okay, Check this out, yeah, students. Wait for a moment.
Mojo bounces back. Chapter 2. Mojo bounces back. Mojo was walking down the hall when he came across a curious poster. Ooh, a robotics competition. Well, now that I know how to grow my brain like a muscle, I'll be unstoppable. He worked furiously, and after a few hours of hard work, he realized building a robot would be harder than he thought. But he trudged onward, making mistakes, then working hard, and then making even more mistakes. Finally, a terrible truth dawned on him. He would never build a great robot. A little while later, Katie stopped by. "Wow, sweet robot," said Katie. "But what's it doing in the trash?" "Ah, it's garbage," said Mojo. "I kept making mistakes, so I gave up." "Mistakes are no big deal," said Katie. "They can even make you smarter." "Ooh, so mistakes are good," said Mojo. "It depends how you handle them," said Katie. "See, neuroscientists have studied what happens in people's brains when they make mistakes. Some people give up when they make mistakes. They think mistakes mean they just aren't good at something, so they shut down and stop trying. But when you stop trying, your brain gets lazy. It doesn't get the exercise it needs to grow. But other people focus on learning from mistakes. They love seeing what they did wrong, so they can do it better next time. And that process of learning from mistakes makes your brain work extra hard to grow stronger." Mojo took another look at his robot. Maybe all those mistakes weren't such a bad thing after all. Maybe every mistake was just a step along the way to building something great. But what do you think? Could Mojo learn from his mistakes? What about you? Now that is an interesting question indeed.
Okay, you already saw about Mojo. So it's about mistake and don't give up. Okay, students, who from you ever made mistake? Maybe you can give me thumbs up. Whoever made mistake? I made mistake. Ms Eza also made mistake. Yeah. So Ms Eza will also give thumbs up. Okay, yeah. But students, even though you make mistake, it doesn't mean you give up. So you need to learn from your mistake. Okay. So, for example, if you cannot do your homework well or you cannot finish your project well, you can again learn and try again to make the better. So, from the mistake, we try to make better things. Agree with me? Give me smile if you agree with me. I want your smile, students. Hello, it's wonderful smiles. I really love it. Okay, so Mojo also said that our brain needs exercise. Okay, so we need to learn, we need to practice, and then forget also to exercise. So we can learn from our mistake and also our brain get exercise. So we become active students. Who wants to become active students? Can you give me love? Can you give me love like this? Who wants to be active students? Yay! Most of you want to be active students. Okay, almost. Clap your hand, yeah? Good job. Okay, so if we want to become better, we please don't give up. And also students, sometimes when we make mistake, I give up. We become angry and also become lazy. We just want to lay and then sleep like that. So if you feel your mood, yeah, or your feeling is bad because of making mistake, I have suggestion for you. Do you want to hear Ms. Eza's suggestion? I have suggestion for you. You can listening music like so. If Ms. Eza feeling bad after making mistake, so Ms. Eza will hear one song or some music, yeah, some music that really upbeat. Okay, this is for example, students. Okay. Try to listen to another kind of music. Okay. Okay, students. So it's my suggestion. If you feel that, oh, I don't feel good to study today, I want to give up. No, please listen to happy music or upbeat music so you can get spirit. Okay, agree? Okay, so before I close this morning assembly, we will do together like exercise with finger. With finger, okay? So get ready with your finger. Okay, so this is random number, yeah, students. This is random number. So if I show you one, you should show your finger one. And then if two, two, and then if three, show me three. Yeah, okay. So I will be quick. Yeah. So be focused. Please be focused on the screen. Yeah, in the presentation slide. Okay, get ready. Okay, we start. One, two, three, four, five, two, six, four, three, seven, nine, one, 10, one, nine, oh, nine, okay, seven, three, four, six, two, five, four, three, two, one. Okay, good job. Yay, okay. Good job. Jadi random number ya, kita harus fokus. Kalau 4 berarti 4, 5, 6 ya, 10. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. Please, it's okay to make mistake as long as you learn from your mistake ya. But please, please, please don't make the same mistake again and again. Please learn from our mistake. Okay? Okay, so you will do good job in your assignment project. You will do good job? Okay. Okay, it's nice to see you again, students. So, my lovely, my sunshine, and also my wonderful student, see you tomorrow, yeah, with another teacher to tell about self-control. Okay, thanks a bunch. Thanks million. Catch you later. Smell you later. Have a wonderful day today. My beautiful and handsome students.